Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I saw this hair accessories on Instagram and I said I just had to try it. So today I'll be showing you how I made this. Like, this is really good when you are, especially when you don't have time to do your kids hair. You just wrap the hair and put this on it and you are good to go. So to start, I'll be using a wool thread, some crunches, some beads, and a braiding hair. For the braiding hair, what I did, I cut the hair into 4 and I went ahead and stretched it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just feeding the crunches into the wool thread, and I will secure that at the back of a chair. You can secure that on anything, like you just want to get a grip where it is not going to move while you're braiding. After doing that, I'm just going to grab a piece of hair, wrap it through one of the crunches, and then I do a braid. You can go ahead and do a twist, but for this I'll be doing a braid. You want to separate the hair into 3 legs, and then you just do your normal braiding. You braid to a certain point, like you want to braid it according to the length you want. So you braid to a certain point, then you tie it. I'm tying it because I don't want it to unravel before it's time for me to put the beads on. On each of the crunches, I'm going to be putting 10 braids. You can put any number that you want. Then after braiding that down, I'm just going to tie it as I said before, then so it doesn't unravel before I start putting the beads on them. You want to keep doing that until you're done with all the braiding. Then you start going in with the beads. For the beads, I'll be putting 5 beads on each of it. You can put any number that you want on it, and that is basically it. It's really easy, and this really comes in handy when you don't have time to do your kids hair. You can just wrap the hair around and put the accessories on, and it looks so beautiful. As you can see, all the braids don't have the same length. I have like 5 short ones, then 5 long ones. This really make it look fuller. You can do it all the same length, but this is just how I like it to be. And you will see that when I put that on my daughter's hair, it really looks so full, and it looks like it's her own natural hair that I braided out. This is what it looks like, guys. You can see how full that is, and it looks so beautiful. I will be doing a separate video on and showing you guys how I apply this on my hair, because I don't want this video to be too long. So watch out for that video. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button down there and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.